What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, we're going to be working on the ring carrier for Rango, our Danger Ranger 9000 truck. We got to be getting the bearings on this ring carrier and also putting the ring onto it, the actual ring gear. And then also at the end, we're going to be getting the shims all measured up so we can have them preset so that when we get everything to get ready to go right in, which pretty much after do this, we're pretty much ready to go. So right now, we're just going to just clean it up, make sure there's no grime, nothing left on it, so that we have a nice, easy install to go in. So now we got the ring gear carrier in the press bench, and now we're pushing the gear down right now, which I had to use a piece of metal to actually push the bearing down because I don't have a thing that's thick enough to just surround the whole gear. And then I also had to do a couple other things to because you got to a certain point where you actually hit the ring carrier centerpiece, so then you had to get something that goes just around the bearing, and then I used this went together pretty easy. Both sides went pretty good. Same with that thing for each way. I put that, so that's that piece I put there. And I always like to say I'm also talking to a third person because audio on the GoPro didn't record very well. I don't know why. It just kind of did some weird things. I don't know. I've never really done it before, but it did it. So now I'm just voicing over everything. And so if you guys actually enjoyed this, let me know in the comments, and then maybe I'll do some more videos like this where it's like, you know, while I'm working on things, I'll talk over in third person. So now that we got all the bearings on, now we're getting the ring gear on. Start putting the bolts here just to help get it. We actually got to press fit this onto this ring carrier. So right now I'm just putting all the bolts in, not tightening, literally just enough to hold it up to where it needs to be pressed onto, and just get them all set up so that when it goes up, you know, the bolt holes won't shift left or right, and nothing will get misaligned and have to take it all back apart again. So now we're about to press the things down. So I started to do this ever so slowly, and ever so slowly I started turning all the nuts down slowly too with it, just so that, you know, it stays constant pattern, you know, just in case anything happens. I just started to put the bolts down slowly, and eventually I was just like, forget, all the way down he goes. So there she is. The ring gear is finally on our ring carrier. Now we're gonna move on to actually tighten these bolts down and torque them to like 60 to 80 pounds-foot torque. So here we are, we're now torquing the bolts. I torqued them to like 70 because one thing said 80 and one said 60, so I said, no, let me meet in the middle, just 70, 75. You put red Loctite on this thing, so this thing shouldn't go anywhere. There's a red Loctite, you need heat to actually take it off, so, you know, shouldn't go anywhere. So guys, got these all torqued up and now ready to be installed onto the truck. Now let's get to the shims.